Oh, Videlato, Shividano, Vidalabidi. Two with the ball, with the shibby devil chain, with the chubby devil yo, put a rubber pot away. Whoa, 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 get a bit of get a right, shit, Peter got a right, bit of get a right, so dibby dabby day, so dibby dabby day, for P, if I go with a PC gate. Whoa, peace, dibby gay, whoa. The doubles of a J, so what of begin with a go, all I will say, Peter go, while I face chibi Jason to be generated to the cover trip with up, you will up for fade if I forget to get the soup, get her off in every game, PV. Yeah, 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 Peter, come on, say that we didn't get a race, so the cutie better case and Chibi Joro. Yeah! Come on, ladies! Get out of touch you, son of a bitches! Son of a bitch! You should have slapped your ass! Get a big shirt, take out of the crap to that fucking crow up here! We don't use a use a color here right now! Gonna bring the caller number 970-567. You're coming up to easy control. We have a pest and gaps here. Yes, we need it right now. So bring it up here and put the shit down all right. This is a clean turd. The little animals are taking over my own home creation. And then they're bringing it just a pieces, sir. Yeah, did Yo, what's up, everybody? Welcome Joe with a physically the crowd of rapper Joe with say. You might have a little promise to the yard to the server for the chase. Either in a pulse to one of biggest power come upon with a chop to bubble like to say. So don't try mess with the black apple. Black is the color to be you don't know. The black is the man who can have a more to yet to keep it up to more expect. So don't try push me over, cause I'm gonna find out now whoever it was. We got to a private test connotation. We are really too retarded today. Yeah, everybody say, oh yeah, pussy god, chief, we can. You wanna get the fuck the police with the just a cattle pre. Oh man, I can't stop breathing loud what you would tell like a joy radio off the cars to take it up the sea. We generally never like give up rules, cause of we speak around the weed you could say. The love, the rules, is a might of war. What I said when myself with Joe would say. So don't try take it too hard to play, because we can kick your ass with what the fuckers don't try to come out to face. So we are to death of where to the say. Alright, try to say so relax. You big kid. I know you with my TKC, you son of a bitches. Eat this. I hack your server! Oh yes, my iPod's gonna be on your armature! This Pixar! I owe you! We are chaos! 20 minutes so respect for me! On! Run! Did it get ready to say to go? Cheetah curve! Alright! Yes! Good! Alright! Here to the tower around. Yes, sir. I need to hear your voice. Yes, sir. Hey, you can call me. I'm Officer Pikoski. I'm Officer Pikoski here. You call me by name? Understood? Hey, call me by name. Oh, you little different charge from my cheater. And who are you, Mr. Son of a Scoopback? How are you, Federation? Yes, sir! We do the generation of Scorpios! Yes, sir! Yes! Dependent? What? What are you calling me? Independence? Independence? Holy shit! Leave that shit out of here now! I call you part of the Federation! Do you want them up there for freaking toilets? Huh? You gonna take a nap after your fucking psych medics! Medics! Yes! Go and see a doctor in the mess station! Go and have a see your doctor otherwise! I've already given a report to Joshua Fry! And here we go! You're fucking mental retarded! Holy shit, I didn't know that they put the soldiers this time! You should all play the computer games and other people fucking army play! Ah, yes! That's it! Put your neck up and go to fuck your ass! Cause I don't want the fuck coming out right here! Huh? Yes! Exactly! That's what they call it right here! We don't want to fucking generation! How the fuck you little fight right here? Who the fuck are you? And what the fuck are you doing around here? I don't know every fucking thing what's going on at this birthday party. Let me tell ya! Who the fuck are you and what the fuck are you doing on my own private tier server? You understand? You should fucking respect the rules! Who the fuck are you, alright? I'm gonna fucking find out! Got a fucking IP tracer! Here we go! And the son of a bitches I got already seen all your shit! This is fucking bullshit! This is fucking bullshit! Milka! You're fucking angry as a fucking class squad like my fucking sister! You're a motherfucking sister! Are you gonna call me names? Yes! You're right. Enough. The fucking fucker that runs this fucking place! Come on! I know you fucking girls can do that! Can you do that? Ah! I gotta fuck my nose! Ah! The construction of the freaking right over here! Dude, sorry, get over him. It might be very bad. It's just got to come in, doesn't work it. Just doesn't do not bark it. Just to come to afraid to say this to the really full. It's just not just working. It's just much too difficult to go, cause I am fucking fag, okay boys. I am fucking fuck boy. Yeah, I am. I wanna fuck your ass. Hi Jack, hi Simon, hi Russell, yeah. I am gay boy, so I just says I wanna fuck your ass. I wanna fuck your ass. I just wanna fuck your ass. It just make me so horny when I are naked with you fucking gay, so I can't just have you. I gotta make you and your ass. I wanna fuck your ass to the gutter rose. I think it cut over good and so rich you bone with a camel chase super chewy. Right, too afraid. We got a piece of custom too afraid. We got a pretty Jason to each other, bring it after to a civilization. Choose to carry to the color the fight. You wanna know what the PCKT are on? Do is sorry, do is safe. Alright. Enough to do good things, enough to do other things. I know it's enough. For a while, I know that in any moment that she's gonna fly. I know it very good. I do know also that when the fucking shit gonna fly, the shit really gonna fly around, and so it's very good to joust to, oh dear. Alright, how much of letters you want now? 5 letters? Yes, we got a 5-minute banner out of here. 5 fucking minutes. Can you believe it, the shit? It must be fucking... Alright. You guys, I wanna teach you a few lessons. Alright, listen up, ladies. You do one that I wanna teach you a few lessons of playing up the... You couple counter cash and make a bit of money of it. I'm pretty sure you freaking poor cards don't know a shit about the two and make a good money of to play the really counter cash. Yeah. Alright, here we go. First thing is take your fingers out of your ass. Pull up your hands on your ass and bring out clean it back. You should clean your hands because they're fucking brownish and smell like a shit. I would really tell you that you shut up a country. Really know a shit about the hygiene. Because the hygiene is the word, it doesn't make a sense of the words. And you will march, you're very well out for luck, buddy. Vivi della possibile la vita no, vivi della vivi dove vivi la lol, e la dossa vivi alla vedere lo sarà di, desta oggi bella dove vivi la nuova da c'è. Volla visi per la dove vivi lo sarà di, e la voce dessa vivi lo sarà di. There's problem. Hi! I'm unbelievable! Mr.